I open the NetBeans ID. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to create the project. So go to the file, new project, select Java application, click next. Here I am going to give the project name. Here I am going to Java project. You can give any name. I just give as a Java project. If it is check create main class, you have to uncheck it. Click finish. Now your new project has been created successfully here. This is your new project, right? Java project, right? Now first step what I am going to do here is I am going to create the simple user design. So go to source package, select the source package, right click new, JFrame form. Here I am going to give the name as registration. This frame I am going to give the name as registration. Okay. Right. Now this is a blank one, right? Now I am going to give the simple registration form over here. Okay, very simple, colorful registration form, right? I just increase the size little bit like this. Okay. Now first what I am going to do is here I am applying the background color. So let's go to the palette, drag the panel from the palette. Okay. So we have to place like this. Okay. Now here first what I am going to select the panel, right click, properties. You have to give the background color, not a foreground color, it's a background. To be a background I am going to change the color as white. So white color. Click OK. Now the background will be change it as white. Okay, this is simple color. Okay, so here it's a background color, we have to change it as a white. Okay, the simple stuff you have to do. Now let's run and check whether it's applying success or not. Here it's a background color is white. Very simple. Here you can see here the background color is a must. Okay, you will be able to see the background color is a white. Okay, simple. Right. Now what I am going to do is here after that I am going to do the ID above. Right. So drag the label. Right click. Here we have to create here as a new user. So here registration or new user, anything else. So here write registration. Registration user. Right, like this. Otherwise you have to give registration. Okay, only. Click on this. Properties. You have to select the font here as you can select any font. Okay, here I am going to select any font. This one, bold. Size I am going to increase as 48. Now it is a colorful one. Right, simple. Now after that what I am going to do is here I am going to create the another stuff, right? So I am going to give the border also well. So here drag another panel. This is another panel, right? I am going to drag another panel, right? This panel also select this one, right click, properties, background color. This also I am going to change it as a white. Click OK, and border. Click on the border. You have to select as a line border. Line border also you can change the color. This is the default as a black. You have to change any color. So I give this one red. It also the very here thickness also you can set here. Apply to nice thickness. You can check here. Okay, it's a simple one. You have to do it. There are many students who ask me that to a colorful one. That's why I made this one. So here like this. Okay, very simple, right? Now here you will be able to enter the details. Okay, now here now I am going to drag the labels. So first one should be the username, password. This is username. You have to type username, right? You have to edit text, username. Now here, now what I am going to do is a username. I am going to increase the size. Properties, font property. You have to type it as this one as a font Arial. Arial is a good nice font. Size 24. Apply here. So simple, right? Here is a nice font. Okay, you can give any color. Okay, I just give the same color. Username, we have to username Arial bold or plain. Yours is a plain rather than that, sorry, and plain or bold italic. Reset as, no, let's keep on the back, this one, and 80 is perfect. Okay, right, perfect, right. Now after that, what I am going to do is here I drag the text field, right? Text field, this one is a text field, small text field. You have to drag like this, you have to write like this simply, you have to adjust simply, right? Okay, text field, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. This here we have to design. Okay, here observe this one. Okay, so you click on this one, right click, properties, font property we have to change it as a size 14. Click. After that, what I am going to do is here font border, background color we have to change it as white, it's defaulted there. After that, we have to change the stuff is a border. This is a border, borders are there, right? It's a border. Border, click on here, line border, default as default color as black. You can change any color you want. If you change this color also, like this something like this, close it. Yes, the color is nice. Or if you change any other color, you will be able to change. It's a border color. It's a border color, you can change it. It's a border color, line border. This color also, if you want to change the same color, red, it also the same. Good. Okay, the color is a red. Okay, it's a nice user interface. Okay, this is how we have to change the user interface overall, right? It's a nice colorful swing application. Okay, now the same thing. If you want to change any other color, you will be able to change. If you leave it as the same color, it's nice. Okay, now let's same. We are select this one. Now let's run and check how it's work. Okay, now I want to increase the size of this one, so I have to give, I gave only 14 instead of 14, 18. Now close it and run and check. If you are run, right, now it's working, now perfectly well. Okay, here this is perfectly well. Okay, your registration form. Now let's select this one, or on the shift key down and select both. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. This one should be the password. Select this one, edit text, password. After that, you have to set like this. So here the password text, this is not a password text box. Okay, isn't it? You have to delete them. Again, we have to get the password text field. This is a password text field. Okay, we have to do the same thing. What I did here is, okay, you have to like this. You have to adjust like this. Okay, how to do the rest? Click on this one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select it again. Go to the property. What is the text font we are given? As Arial, no, Arial. You have to pick up then the property Arial, Arial. Here the font we have to select as 18. That's it. After that, what I did here is any other modification. Border we have changed it as border property. Go to the border property, line border, color we have given as red. The border color, thickness. Okay, thickness 1 is enough, right? Simple edit, simple stuff we have to do. Okay, the simple stuff we have to do. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Okay, now let's see, you can check here. If you run the application and check, what I did here is here the username, password, you have to enter the password. It's a nice one. Now if you are, what I am going to say, select this one panel, this form, select the frame here, right click, properties, code, generate set. If you are enable this option, when the application is run, it's run at the center. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now here it will be here. You have to adjust like this, right? Now we have to do another things, right? The username and shift hold on the shift key down and select username and password, these two, label and text box, control C to copy, control V to paste, get another copy and paste below. Here what I am going to do is here, select this one, right. Here what I am going to see, here you have to type the re-enter password. We have to re-enter the password. You have set the re-enter password. Right click, edit text, re-enter, password, re-enter password or re-enter password. Pass. You write pass. Simply you have to re-enter pass. Right. Simple. Okay. After that, what I am going to do is here. This is a simple one. We have the user registration. If you want to do another stuff, you have to do the user type. The same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to get anything instead of writing, because all the style we are applying, so that we have to get the copy and paste it here. Okay, so if you are again you have to drag the label and type, it take too much of time to complete the project. Easy, what you are did the style above, same style you are paste and change the name. Okay, here user type, right. User type also I am to drag one combo box, right? So you have to pick up the combo box from over here. This is a combo box, you have to get it here. Combo box also we have to given the style. Here we have to given the style over here. Select the combo box, properties. Here we have to give the properties. Okay, here staff, user type staff, admin. I given only the two user type, staff and admin. Here also borders are available. Border also you have to line border. Click on the border color red. Same thing. Click OK. Background color, if you want to change as white, you will be able to change as white. Font here, if you want to change as a Arial, you will be able to change the Arial or anything else. Right now I have to flip 18. I click 18 bit bold. So here the it's not time New Roman will be C. So it's perfect. Okay, now here it's perfect. Now we need a button. Okay, now we need a button. So let's do the things as a button, right? That's a things, right? Now let's arrange them in order to do the stuff. Right. We need two buttons. We are in registration form. We have to increase the size little bit. 48. We have to give the size as customly 60. It's also same, right? It's the same. If you want to change the color, perfectly the color, where's the color property, the foreground color. Okay, if you are, what is the background color? It is a background color. Foreground color means it is a font color. If you want to change foreground color, go to the foreground color. Here is there foreground color properties. There's a foreground. Here is a foreground color property. Change as red. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to create two buttons. So first button you have to click on and drag here over here. This button right click and save. This button I'm going to set the properties. Here we have to set as bold, 14 or 16, and background color I'm going to give here as the background color. You can give any color. I'm going to give this dark background. Sorry, it's a background color. It's not set. Right. Background color, right? Click OK. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, here. Now here is font color is not good. So I'm going to change the font color as, if it is a blue, the foreground color is a black, it is not good. If it is changed as white, you will be able to see here. it's like, okay, it's nice, it's nice, look nice. Okay, it's a nice user interface. Now will be do the another modification, all the stuff. Okay, now here the background color, the border also, border color also I am going to change it as a line border. This instead of black, you have to change it as a yellow. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, it's working fine, beautiful. So beautiful, you'll be able to see here the same thing. You have to write like this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here this one you have to change it as a edit text cancel. Right. Now here also I am going to click on the border color. Instead of the red, I am going to change it as this one as a border line, border color as a border, it's a border, line border. The color I am going to change it as a blue. Now the thing is like this. Okay, the simple one we have to did here. Okay, if you want, we have all the things we have to set it as a blue. It is a very user interaction login form, right? I am going to select all the hold on shift key down and shift all the text fields, right click, properties, border. Instead of the here we have to change it as a blue. Click OK, close it. Everything it will be changed. Okay, according to your purpose. Now let's here, so all things are working fine, right? Now here if you are look at the login registration form here, it look nice. Okay, it's nice. Now again I am going to give another thing is go to the source, Control F, UI. If you are change it as this one, metal is actual Java look and feel of Java user interface. The user interface I am going to select, right? Okay, this is simple stuff you have to do. Okay, here is a simple login form. So you will be able to type the username, password, all stuff you have to type over here. Admin, all the stuff you have to select. Right? The simple one. This how you have to do the registration form. Well, the user attract way. Okay. So after that, I am going to do another thing is a login form, right? So what I am going to do is here, go to the default package, this one. So here source package, right click, new JFrame form, login, finish. Now here login form. Now I am going to style the login form. Okay, so first what I am going to do is here I am going to write the heading. So here the registration form I am going to give like this. Okay, so same thing you have to do the login form as well. So the panel, you have to drag one panel over here. I just like this. Okay, here we have to give the color, the background color. The background color we have to give given as black. Anything I just give as a black. It's a colorful one. Label. So label, we have to type the label login. The label login. Okay. Here we have to give the color. Style we have to give an as Arial. Arial is a best font, right? So 4036. Okay. Now the color I am going to apply here as the color, right? Okay, the Arial black or Arial narrow round, this is the best, Arial narrow, right? Now here the color I am going to, foreground color I am going to give as a blue, yellow is the best. It's a nice. Okay, this will look nice. If you want to change the font size, you will be able to change the font style like this. Okay, after that I am going to give the another thing is a this one. What username and password. Now here I'm going to set it as a login. Username and password you have to enter, right? So you have to given here as a simple login form, right? Here we have the panel. We have to select this one as a border. We have to select as line border. Here thickness we have to give us a 2. Rounders, okay, rounders border, okay, perfect, right. Now here we have to given the this one, username and password, all the stuff, right? So this one also right click properties, background we have to change the color as a white also, here also white, that's perfect. Now you'll be able to see the nice look, okay. Inside here we have to drag the labels. This one should be the username, you have to right click properties, you have to change bold 18th, the font we have to change it as Arial, right. We have to drag the text field, Arial. This one also right click properties, font property we have to change as with bold, Times New Storm 18th, click OK. So border, line border, thickness we have to give 1, it's okay. Now the default text we have to right click edit text backslash to remove the existing text over here, the simple, okay. The same thing, control C to hold on shift key down and select label and text field, control C to copy, control V to paste and get the copy, another copy. This one you have to change it as password, this one you have to delete them, again drag another pass field, text field here, right. This one you have to right click properties, this one you have to select as Times New Storm, bold 18th, click OK. Border we have to change this on the line border, this okay. Right now here right click edit text backslash to remove the existing text. Now here we have the button, we need a button, okay, we need a button, 2 buttons we need in the button, right. So here what I am going to see button, we have button also we have to, what I am going to do is here here this is a button, 2 buttons, right. Simple. The button also we have to properties, this one also login, background color we have to give as a black color, foreground color we have to give as a foreground color is a bold with 14th, time is storm, foreground color we have to give us a white. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to get another copy. This one should be the cancel. Right. Now let's run and check. Right click, run this one. There is a simple one. There is a simple login form. Okay. Now we have to adjust something like that. Okay. So here, to adjust something like that, here this adjust like this. All the things are we have to put it as a black. That's the thing is the problem. Instead of black we have to change this one as a blue, it's perfectly well blue, right. This also we have to change as all the things are blue. Okay, the black is not that much of impression, oh sorry, not here, cancel it, right click, properties, border, as a border line also I am set it as a blue. Okay, blue. Okay, perfect. Now here the thing also, this also blue. Right click, properties. I just for the testing purpose I have check it, but it is the color is not good, so that I am going to change the colors, right? Don't worry about this, we have to change the color, it will be good. Right, okay. If the color is not good, you have to what I do here is you have to change and check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, if it is work, then it's okay, no problem, right? It's simple. Right. Now let's run and check. Right, run file. Here you can check over here. It's simple one. You will be able to check over here, right? Very simple login form, right? So what I am going to see here, to select the frame, right click, properties, it's run at the center, right click and run file. You will be able to see the login page here, like this. Right, this is how we have to do the pages, right? Very simple. This is how we have to do the pages, right? Okay, login form. Right, simple. Okay, now what I am going to see here, this also I am going to select this one, source, Control F, here UI, you have to change this one as a metal, press enter key, it's a metal. Every page you have to change as metal, it will be work fine. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, it's a final the problem. Right, so working. Okay, this is how we have to do the login page and registration form design. In my next tutorial I am going to teach how to do the validation part. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.